This week at NASA, we reflect on the sacrifices of our fallen heroes, discuss safety measures at our agency, and bid farewell to a groundbreaking mission on Mars. Our annual Day of Remembrance observance at Arlington National Cemetery, held on January 25, paid tribute to the brave astronauts of Apollo 1, the space shuttles Challenger and Columbia, and other members of the NASA family who lost their lives in the pursuit of exploration and discovery. Shifting our focus to safety, earlier in the week, NASA held a crucial employee safety town hall at our headquarters in Washington. During this event, NASA leadership emphasized the core value of safety, which serves as the cornerstone for achieving mission success across the agency. On the Martian frontier, the historic mission of our Ingenuity Mars helicopter has come to an end after almost 3 years on the Red Planet. Unfortunately, during a recent landing, one or more rotor blades sustained damage, rendering the helicopter incapable of flight. Ingenuity, designed for 5 experimental test flights over 30 days, exceeded expectations with 72 flights, covering more than 14 times the planned distance and logging over 2 hours of total flight time. Shifting gears to the International Space Station, Axiom Mission 3, the third private astronaut mission, successfully docked to the orbital complex on January 20. The Axiom space crew, welcomed by the station's Expedition 70 crew, including NASA astronauts Jasmine Mothball and Laurel O'Hara, are set to remain on the space station until February 3. To stay updated on our ongoing missions and projects, visit our website at insert NASA website URL. Until next time, keep exploring the cosmos and reaching for the stars.